POV. That noise? Yeah, it's your fault. You thought skipping that oil change wouldn't matter, right? But now listen to that grinding. That's your engine crying out for help. Without fresh oil, sludge builds up, choking your engine and causing irreversible damage. Every mile you drive is a risk, and soon that noise could turn into a full breakdown. Don't wait for the warning lights. They're already too late. Change your oil on time, or you'll be paying for it in repairs. Send this to a friend who always puts it off.